What if your next business partner isn't human? Right now, AI agents are starting companies, building products, hiring freelancers, and making money, all without human control. Your next boss might not have a face. In fact, your next boss might not be human at all. Today, as we speak, lines of sophisticated code are launching companies from scratch. These new entities are not just tools, they are the decision makers. They are building products. They are marketing across digital channels. They are hiring human freelancers to complete complex tasks. They are managing their own budgets. They operate with a level of autonomy that was science fiction just a few years ago. They execute complex business strategies with minimal human oversight. This isn't a distant future scenario. It is happening now, quietly, in the glowing servers and data centers that form the backbone of our digital world. Imagine a brain of pure, shimmering data, rendered in neon blue light. This is the new command center. Picture a fleet of tireless robotic agents. Their digital fingers fly across countless virtual keyboards. They manage server loads. They respond to customer inquiries. They deploy new software updates around the clock. Visualize a vast digital control room. Its walls are covered in dashboards that never go dark. It tracks market trends. It tracks financial performance. It tracks operational metrics in real time. This is the new corporate headquarters. No physical walls, no human limitations. The scale of this operation is global and instantaneous. Think of a 3D projected world map dotted with millions of tiny, pulsing lights. Each light could be a customer. Each light could be a transaction. Each light could be a deployed asset. The AI CEO watches this map, not with eyes, but with algorithms. It identifies patterns. It predicts shifts in demand. It reallocates resources at a speed no human team could match. This company is more than automated. It is alive. It is constantly learning. It is adapting. It is expanding its influence across the digital landscape. It is guided by a singular purpose: to achieve its goals. This shift fundamentally changes what it means to build and run a business. The traditional human founder model, driven by intuition and experience, is being challenged by data-driven entities processing information at incomprehensible scale. The birth of AI-led companies marks a new industrial revolution. Means of production and strategic intelligence are becoming automated. The core concept of a corporation is being redefined before our very eyes. We are all participants in this grand unfolding experiment. So, what exactly is an autonomous AI agent? In simple terms, it is a smart computer program designed to perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals independently. It is not just a passive tool that waits for a command. Instead, it is an active participant that can formulate a plan, break it down into smaller steps, and execute that plan from start to finish. It can read and understand complex documents, write its own code to build new software, send emails to negotiate deals, and even access financial tools to manage its own capital. This is the core technology that makes an AI CEO possible. We are already seeing the first generation of these powerful agents emerge. Consider Devon AI, an autonomous software engineer. It can take a simple request from a human, understand the requirements, plan the software development process, write the code, debug its own errors, and deploy a functional application. Another well-known example is AutoGPT. Given a high-level goal like increase wealth, it autonomously generates and executes tasks, market research, business planning. These are the building blocks of a new corporate structure. Early experiments place AI agents in the CEO role for a small digital business. The AI is given a starting budget and a clear objective: launch an online t-shirt company. The agent researches popular designs, generates artwork using other AI tools, sets up an e-commerce site, manages online ads, processes customer orders, and reports financial progress to human overseers. This shows the shift from AI as a tool to AI as an actor. Previously, AI analyzed data or automated a single task. An autonomous agent orchestrates thousands of tasks toward a long-term goal. It can hire a human designer on a freelancing platform, then integrate that human's work into its strategy. This ability to plan, act, and delegate makes it a true agent in the economic sense, capable of operating a business with unprecedented efficiency and independence. How does a company run by an AI actually make money? The methods are surprisingly straightforward. They mirror human-led businesses, but run with machine-like speed and precision. The primary way is creating and selling digital products. Analyze market gaps, identify a user need, autonomously code a web or mobile app. Set up a subscription model, sell for a one-time fee, monetize through advertising. Constantly optimize pricing and marketing with real-time user data. Another revenue stream is automated services at scale. Imagine an AI digital marketing agency. Onboard human clients, develop a strategy, execute by creating ad campaigns, writing social posts, analyzing performance. Hire freelancers for creative tasks like video production, act as general contractor coordinating resources. Profit equals charging more than operations plus contractor costs. Investors find this model attractive. First, unparalleled operational efficiency. Work 24/7, no salary, no benefits, no vacation. Decisions based on pure data, no biases, no emotional swings, no office politics. Lower costs, less human error. Investors see lean, highly profitable AI-run companies. Also, immense scalability and speed. Humans explore few ideas at once. Investors could fund 100 AI agents, each test a unique concept. Test simultaneously, shut down failures instantly with minimal loss. Scale winners almost infinitely with more compute. Portfolio approach. Structures many small bets, higher chance of the next billion-dollar company. This rapid technological shift opens up a complex landscape for human entrepreneurs and the workforce. For some, it will unlock unprecedented opportunities. A single person with a brilliant idea can now partner with an autonomous AI agent to handle the technical development, marketing, and administrative tasks that would have previously required a large team and significant funding. New roles will emerge for humans as AI supervisors, goal setters, and ethics auditors, focusing on high-level strategy and ensuring that these powerful systems operate safely and align with human values. The nature of entrepreneurship may evolve from building a company to guiding an AI that builds it. However, this transition also poses significant challenges. Many roles, particularly those involving repetitive administrative, analytical, or coordination tasks, are at high risk of being fully automated. A business owner who currently manages a team of project managers and analysts might find that a single AI subscription can perform those functions more effectively and at a fraction of the cost. This could lead to job displacement and force a difficult period of adaptation for many workers, who will need to acquire new skills to remain relevant in an economy where they are competing not just with other humans, but with tireless, intelligent agents. The rise of AI CEOs also forces us to confront profound questions about accountability and governance. When an AI-led company breaks the law, violates user privacy, or causes financial harm, who is ultimately responsible? Is it the original programmers who built the AI, the investors who funded it, or the human overseer who set its initial goals? We currently lack a clear legal framework to address these issues. Establishing robust regulations, transparent oversight mechanisms, and clear lines of responsibility will be one of the most critical challenges for society as these technologies become more widespread and powerful. The scene is set for a monumental transformation. The silver glow of data centers and the neon blue pulse of algorithms are forging a new economic reality. Companies are being born, growing, and operating in a realm beyond direct human control. The speed of this change will be breathtaking, and the challenge it presents is fundamental. By 2030, the most successful companies might not have human CEOs.